Myself, Nimesh Prabhakar. Welcome to Automotive Electronics Lecture Series. In this lecture, we will discuss about the introduction to modern automotive system. So here in this lecture, we discuss about the modern automotive system like in the modern car, we can see the sensors and the actuators that control the whole system of the car. So here we will discuss about the latest version of the car or the system that are available in the car. So first we'll discuss about the introduction of the modern automotive system. So we know that this day the electronics technology you find in a car is almost as important as what's under the hood, because we know that in the latest car the electronic system is the very important part. In the small vehicle like the simple car to automatic car, we can see the electronic system in the car. These systems are key to everything from safety and security to connectivity and communication. So each and every factor like the safety of the person, safety of the driver, security of the person, like the communication between the two vehicles, we can see the electronic system in the automotive system. And as car become more sophisticated, it directly affects how you interact with your vehicle. Now, modern automotive system. Here, I will discuss about a few modern automotive system like advanced driver assistance system, then automatic energy braking, then connected mobile app and digital key. Then next one, exit warning to protect cyclists. Now next one is the wireless smartphone charging and connectivity. Next one is the 360-degree camera system. Next one is the video rear view mirror, and last one is the blind spot view monitor. So we will discuss about this modern automotive system. So first one we start with the advanced driver assistance system. Several automakers offer the technology that can quickly react to hazards, reduce driver fatigues, and make life easier in traffic. It will even park the car for you. Like in the latest car, we can see this type of system like advanced driver assistance system. Here, this system is very useful. It protect the driver from the accident. Here in this system, the features are like the adaptive cruise control. So what is adaptive cruise control? So here, keep your vehicle at a set speed but slow down or accelerate to keep a safe distance from the car in front of you. So this system is very important, because when we drive the vehicle in the highway, then if our speed is very high, then the next one vehicle is very close to our vehicle, this system is activated and it slow down our speed of the car. Now next one feature of this is the lane departure warning. That means alert you when your car is drifting into the another lane. So in the highway it is very hard to change the lane. So this system is very helpful at that time. Now next one is lane keep assistant. That means user steering to keep your car in the lane. So here it assists the lane of the highway. Now next one is the blind spot alert. So here let you know when there is a car in your blind spot. So it is very useful when we have to change the lane. So at that time, this system is useful to find out the blind spot in the highway. Now, next one feature of advanced drive assistance system is cross traffic alert. If you are backing out of parking space or drive away, this will let you know if there is a cross traffic. Some system shows from which direction the other car is coming. So it is very useful, like when we park the car or we move our car from the parking, so it alert the person or the driver the car is coming behind our car or not. Now next one is the reverse brake assist. So here the system is work if it sends an object behind your car while back up. Reverse brake assist can stop your car to avoid an accident. So it is alert you when we have take the reverse and we do not know the object is behind our car. So this system is automatically apply the brake. So it is really helpful for accident purpose. Now next one is automatic emergency braking system. So here when the car senses that a collision is imminent, automatic emergency braking, that means AEB, activates your car's brakes, potentially avoiding or minimizing an accident. AEB can react faster than a person and can start working before you hit the brake. So here in this figure we can see, so here the sensor in the red car, it transmits a signal, and when the car is very close, like this white car is close to the red car, so red car driver can alert if the red car has this automatic emergency braking system, then the brake this system is activated and the brake is automatically applied. So this is the automatic emergency braking system. Now next one is the connected mobile app and digital key. Now most car makers offer connected smartphone app, but some are better than other. So here most of the car in the market is now available with this type of app features. So the most advanced ones let you remotely lock and unlock the door, check the status of the fuel level and the tire pressure, and they even remotely start the car. So this type of feature is available in the recent car. Like we can central lock system and remote lock system is available. We can lock the door of the car by just pressing the remote of that system. So this is really very important. Now next one is the exit warning to protect cyclists. So here riding a bike is a constant challenge in the city. Riders have to be as concerned with the parked car as they are with the moving vehicle. A feature that helps the rider and driver alike is the exit warning. So this system is very important when we have to park the car and we try to open the door. So at that time this system alert the person or the driver or the passenger, the other car or the cyclist is riding the car or the bicycle beside our car. So this is really very important system. The alert user real looking sensor to detect approaching bicycle and traffic, that ensure that a passenger does not open a car door just as cyclists come by. Now next one is wireless smartphone charging and connectivity. So here in the latest car, this system is available and that really helpful to charge our battery of the phone. So the combination of wireless smartphone connectivity and charging is available in more model than in the past. This system typically use a charging pad when you raise your phone. So here in this figure we can see we have placed the phone on the charging pad. So this directly connect and charge our phone. Now next one is a 360-degree camera. So in the latest car, 360-degree camera features is available and that help to park our car. While rear cross traffic assist help you avoid the collision when backing out of the parking space or driver away. A 360-degree camera can make sure you do not hit anything while you are parking. So in the rear view, we can see the back side of the car, but 360-degree camera cover all the side of the car. So we can easily park our car without any accident or hit anything. This camera is great help when parking a large vehicle. Now next one feature is video rear view mirror. So this figure we can see this is the video rear view. Have you ever had to come back from a supply run with so much stuff in your car interior that it blocked the rear window, making the rear view mirror useless? So sometimes happen we cannot easily see the rear view or rear view by using the rear view mirror, because when we place so much device or material behind our car, so it blocks the rear view. So at that time this system is really very useful. So a video rear view mirror use a rear mounted camera to display the view behind the car. Now next one is the blind spot view monitor. Many drivers like the idea of having an easy to view screen that show you what's on either side of your car when you prepare to change the lane. So here when we drive the car in the highway and we want to change our lane, so at that time this system is very useful, because when we want to change the lane, at that time it is really very important to see the other vehicle is coming in that lane or not. So this system assists the driver the blind spot. The video based blind spot view monitor uses a small camera on either side of your car to display what traffic may be in the lane next to you. This warning can help prevent you from hitting another car or a person on a bicycle or motorcycle. So in this lecture we have discussed about the modern automotive system, and I use this reference. Thank you. Hello and welcome to our channel Electronics and Communication Engineering. Congratulations to find us for learning. You are watching a lecture session on automotive electronics that has approx 15 sessions and more are coming up. We have more than 1200 sessions in various lecture series on courses for electronics and communication engineering. Watch it and learn. If you like it, share it, subscribe it and press bell icon to receive all updates on new session. Enjoy learning.